In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Grafana Dashboard 2026, step by step. We're going to walk through how to grant the right people access to a specific Grafana dashboard by updating its permissions. This method is ideal when you want to keep control over who can view, edit, or administer a dashboard, rather than just sending a quick link. Start by going to grafana.com and signing into your organization's Grafana instance. You'll need the ability to manage dashboard permissions, so make sure your account has at least editor rights for the dashboard or admin rights in the workspace. On the left-hand side, locate the main navigation panel. Click Dashboards to open the Dashboards area. From here, find the dashboard you want to share. If you have a lot of content, use Search or open the folder where it lives to get to it quickly, then open the dashboard. If you see a Make Editable option on the top bar, click it. This switches the dashboard from view only into a state where you can change its settings. If you don't see this button, you're likely already in an editable mode or you might not have permission to edit. Next, open the dashboard settings by clicking the gear icon. Inside settings, go to the permissions section. This is where you control exactly who can access this dashboard and at what level. Click Add a Permission. First, choose who you want to grant access to. You can target an individual user, a team, or a service account. As a tip, use teams for groups to keep things easier to manage long-term, and use service accounts for automation or programmatic access. For a one-off collaborator, selecting a single user is usually simplest. Type to search for the person, team, or service account you want, and select it from the results. Then choose the level of access. View lets someone see the dashboard without making changes. Edit allows them to modify panels, queries, and layout. Admin gives full control over the dashboard, including permissions. When in doubt, follow least privilege. Start with View and only grant edit or admin when it's truly needed. When you're confident with the selection, click Save. Your changes apply immediately to this dashboard. If your dashboard sits inside a folder with its own permissions, remember that folder permissions can be inherited. Grafana will show you any inherited rules so you understand the full access picture. If you can't add a permission, check your role on the dashboard or ask an administrator. And if someone can open the dashboard but can't see data in certain panels, it may be due to underlying data source permissions. That's it. Your dashboard is now shared with the right people, with the right level of access.